Hi, my name is Charlee Atkins. I am the creator of Le Sweat and Le Stretch, and today we'll be doing the Le Stretch trifecta presented by Well+Good and Kalia by Carrie Underwood. All we're gonna need for today's mat class is a lacrosse ball. If you don't have a lacrosse ball, you can grab a tennis ball. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's move on to our lower back. We're gonna be putting this ball right in the muscle that runs alongside the spine on the right and the left side. I'm gonna be staying between my rib and my tailbone. Coming on down to the mat, I'm just going to lift my hips up, place the ball right where we talked about, right side of the spine. Hips are gonna come on down to the mat. And then from here, I'm just gonna kind of wiggle or massage. I'm pressing my back into the ball. We're doing about 5-ish rolls. Now I have a lot of real estate between my ribs and my tailbone, so I'm just kind of moving up and down, massaging the muscles up and off of the spine. Right side, and then I'm just gonna lift my hips up. I'll scoot the ball over onto the left side, so now I'm on the left side of the spine, lowering the hips down, tailbone comes on down to the mat, using my elbows to kind of brace me. I'm just rolling the muscles up off the spine. From here, again, moving all along that real estate between the ribs and the tailbone, and then I'll just pull the ball out from underneath me. Step number 2, or the second place that I want to talk about, is the glute. Now I'll sit up because it's a little bit easier. Now what I want to do is I want to place that ball right where my hip is tight. So if I think about it, I close my eyes, it's tight right here. I'm going to place that ball in the top right corner of my jean pocket. Coming back down to the mat, knees are bent, lifting hips up. I'm just gonna tuck this ball right up underneath me. Now, my right knee is just gonna spill open out to the right side. We'll just open it up. We'll do this about 5 times. Now again, you can make micro movements, just finding sweet little spots to place that ball, but we're just trying to kind of bring it out and around to the right side of the body, right where that glute is. So that's my right side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the left side. So reach behind my left back. I'm gonna stick the ball into my left hip, so left hip pocket, lowering the hips down. So this right leg is stabilizing me. I'm just opening my leg up. Left side, again, getting about 5 of these rolls. Already feels better. And there we go. And then I'll come up off the mat. Now the next one, I'm just gonna show you where you wanna place it. So we're gonna be getting into the upper back, the shoulder blade, the neck, back region. If I hold this ball in my right hand, left pointer finger is gonna touch my spine, left middle finger is gonna hold on to where my shoulder blade is. An easy way to find it is if I just kind of pop by my arm. I've just created a 2-finger target. I'm gonna place that ball right there, right in between my right shoulder blade and my right spine. Same thing, I'm gonna be coming down onto the mat. So lowering down, ball is placed where it should be. Now the ball is underneath me. Head comes on down to the mat, walking the heels up towards the glutes, palms facing the ceiling. I'm just gonna lift my hips up towards the ceiling. From here, I'm gonna take my arm up and overhead a few times. And then a cute little trick that you can do once you bring this arm up overhead is you can just spell your name out with your finger. So I'm gonna go big C, big H, A, R, we'll do an L, cursive, E, E. So that just kind of opens up that right side, lowering the hips down. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the left side. So putting the ball right in between my left shoulder blade and my spine. Gaze is gonna stay up towards the ceiling, walking the heels up towards the glutes, lifting the hips up. So I'm in this bridge. I'm gonna take my left arm up and overhead like I'm raising my hand a few times. We'll say 3. And then I'm going to spell my name out with my left fingertip. So we got a big C, H. I should have done my last name. It's okay, we'll do Charlie again. L-E and E. And then from there, coming on down to the mat. And that is the Le Stretch trifecta. I guarantee you if you do this 10 minutes a day, you'll be feeling a lot better. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on the mat.